to Celebrity Cooking with Rick. As a privileged elite celebrity, you can imagine that I have amassed literally thousands and thousands of recipes. And I want to share all those recipes with you, the fans. But in today's episode, I'm not going to do that. Today we are going to test a new product that I wanted to share with you. Today's test product is Motor City Pizza, Detroit style pizza. Let's get started. So welcome back. Okay, so you see I've taken the pizza out of the box, and you can see it's got its own little tray. So the history behind Detroit style pizza is somebody took an automotive parts tray and they baked a pizza in it. And it gave it that nice thick crust with brown, let's see here, buttery, crispy, that signature thick, crusty, buttery taste that we're all familiar with. Okay, the steps say to preheat your oven to 425, remove the plastic wrapper, and keep it in the tray. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use my oven, I'm going to use my convection oven. I'm going to start off at 15 minutes because this thing has a tendency to cook faster than like this traditional oven here. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Sit tight and we'll check on our pizza. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes. I probably should have only done it for about 10 minutes in the convection oven. Whoops, there goes the oven. Next step is we want to take it out of the tray. I kind of overcooked it. Although it's a little overcooked, got a little bit of nice crust on it, a little nice undercarriage, as they say. I give it a thumbs up. So let's be real here. I burnt the out of that pizza. Sometimes you make a mistake. Maybe it's a simple mistake. Maybe it's something catastrophic.
There you go. It's now law.
Good news is we can all learn from our mistakes, even if it's unbelievably bad.
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was going to put him.
And you make a better decision going forward. Ultimately, you'll even have better pizza.